dream.
Was it a scary dream?
No. It brought back good memories.
I want to have a beer.
No, you can't. And don't you ever steal from the vending machine, okay?
How about the store's money, Dai?
What money? We don't have any.
What about the money we earned the other day?
Madam DAIEN, don't you remember that you can't use the money you got from the dead? You have to get a license to do business with the living. Otherwise, our business is only good for the dead. Duh.
It's easy for you to say. You don't know how hard that test is.
Stop whining. Just give up the beer. I have some paperwork to do.
Huh? Do we have any paperwork?
Even though we don't make any money, we should always be organized, you know?
How about fried chicken?
Told you we have no money.
You are so cheap.
Hey, don't. Open the door.
Huh?
From CHO SHOKA. The request. I'd like you to show my friend a dream so that she will be free from the past. No matter how many years pass by, you remain as a young girl, forever inside me. As in the days we chase each other in that place.
Oh, damn it. I gotta start all over.